I was gonna come right off.
Wow! That is scary!
It's something.
That is quite something.
We're up here though.
Macaroons. Chicken strips.
Oh yeah.
Designated sled deck loader.
See what?
Designated sled deck loader. What are we doing today?
I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing something.
We got a bunch of sustentation and snacks.
Lunch chocolate.
Grandma's chocolate cookie.
Who's grandma?
Your grandma.
Oh, nice.
Some Jack Links.
Not better than Jack Links.
Salted nuts.
I love salted nuts.
You have to say for yourself.
I need a lot of exercise as soon as possible.
It's kind of like a elliptical.
In a sense, yeah.
A non-stop elliptical.
A fun elliptical.
Fun elliptical.
Fun elliptical.
Fun elliptical.
It's good.
I've been doing the stairs at the gym, and I do like, it gets hard and then it gets easy and then it gets hard and then it gets easy, and I think I like it because sometimes when you're sledding it gets hard and then you putt for a little
I
bit.
didn't know that, Riley.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
We got the goods. Goods in the hoods.
Yeah, we got goods right here too.
Ooh, let's get a zoom in on that.
Nothing better than lunch omelet.
Not a sponsor yet.
Yet.